sandali kasi ate parang ayaw na wala. Oo. Okay. Banana sa harap, pineapple sa likod. Ready? Go! Apple, cherry, apple, cherry, apple, 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 apple. Mama, hindi pa practice pa lang. Diyan, ito. Thank you so much. And that's it for our games. Now, time to take your seats because we're gonna serve the food. And it's eating time. Eating time na po. Thank you so much. Ayan, wait lang. Wala ang tungtong. Thank you, Ma'am, for giving me a good opportunity. Oh, sabi ko, give me. Purple friend naman ni Ronald McDonald. Ha? Ito pala. Ang kiddie version ni Ronald McDonald. Ang best friend ng lahat. The one and the original is Kid McDonald. Last but certainly not the least, yung sinasabi ko kanina, ang purple friend ni Ronald McDonald at ang friend niya na mahilig sa dessert. Let us all welcome our friend, Green Bay! Gusto niyo ba makita? Sir Tino, would you like to say your wish po for Tino?
Right.
Wish ko sa anak ko. Before ako magbigay pala ng wish ko, I just like to thank everybody for coming and joining us in the celebration of the first birthday of my son. Alam naman natin, bumabagyo na, and Bagyong Pepe is slowly coming in dito sa Pilipinas. Despite that, nandito kayo, and I would like to thank you for that. And of course, my wish,
Nakatingin si Koy Klo, nakatingin.
sana pati siya agad.
Nakatitig ako. Ang tingin ko.
Basta hindi siya nakakasakit.
You may now help Tino to hold his candle, sir. Sir Tino and Ma'am Karen. On the count of 3, 2, and 1. Already? 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! And of course, may gift din naman po si Kid Macdo or Kino. Ayan, Karen, get your gift from Kid Macdo. And of course, ang wish din naman sa inyo Macdo, sunod po na sa amin ni Sir Tino, sana lumaki mo kay kabata si Kino. Makatapos ang Sonics and magmana kay Mommy and Daddy. Yay! Alright, now family picture taking muna.